everyone, welcome back to my channel. So here I am back in my Archer and Olive that I use for work, and this week for Halloween I will be using some stickers from According to Ally. So I'll be using her Spooky along with some roses and then the corresponding boxes. Let's get started. Okay, so first things first, I have actually a couple of sheets of this. So, oh, I forgot. I also want to use alcohol ink. Yes, yes, yes. So, oops, I'll put that back properly. Now, I'm debating how I'm gonna do this. Whether I put a little bit of alcohol ink, then
I'm gonna let the be her Chloe's. So, okay.
use this. And then I need white out. I'm a little distracted because I actually have some Happy Mail right next to me that I need to open. And I have no idea where my whiteout is. Oh my god. Found it. And okay, so let's do this and add this here because I love the alcohol inks together. Now I think I'm gonna do I love the Spooky. Love the Spooky. So maybe put oops. I'm going to put a big thing of alcohol ink in the corner with a rose, and then yeah, just oh, I heard a big crash upstairs and I'm like, what the heck is that? It's Lucy playing with like some puzzle ball. And then the thing is, I like this, but if the rose wasn't transparent, I think it might work better. Oh, and the purple on purple. Okay. It's actually a lot harder than I thought it would be. But I do like the gray. So I'm going to put the gray together here. Hi, puppers. Lucy had a grooming today. She's come along so much since, oh gosh, how many months ago was it, where she could not be handled. But now, so much better. Okay. What I think I'm going to add is maybe add some of this Simply Gilded washi. I forget what this one was called. I'll try to combine the two. Just all the different textures and the colors, and down here is basically where my note section is going to go. Oh, I love it. Oops, forgot to white this out. So what I'm thinking might be best is just put a few roses down and then put the date on top. Now that I put that down, I don't want that to go there. Urgh. So put it right in the middle, and then maybe an alcohol, maybe an alcohol ink. I love Ally's alcohol inks. And then I'm going to cut this one actually so that I will put one on one side of the page and then one on the other, so it doesn't really, I don't have to worry about the fold of the page too much. There we go. Then add a little bit of this washi to this side, and then this washi to the rose on this side, although it's going to get covered by the date anyway. And then maybe put a little tiny rose here. I don't know. I'm still a little kind of, okay. Let's figure this out. The first thing though is make sure that I do have the days of the week in here. Out of all the stickers that I have in my collection, of the ones that I've created anyway, the blackout days of the week are probably the ones that I use the most, which is unexpected for me actually. I thought that I would be using other ones more, but it does make sense that these ones would come up as the ones I would use the most. There we go. And I love that these stickers aren't your typical Halloween, that they are, well really, they're Halloween without being too Halloween, if that makes sense. So, always checking if I'm in frame. Let's put this down here. And I'm gonna stick a rose. Oh, you know what? Before I even do that, before I get into more decoration, I'm gonna actually put these boxes down. Kind of referring to what I had before. Okay. I know, is Monday going to be a heavy meeting day? I don't know. One of the days. There's always a day that is a heavy meeting day. And I like using these boxes for the meetings. And then these smaller boxes for the to-do lists. Oh. And there we go. Oh, make sure that it's straight. I love that Allie creates these boxes to coincide with the different things that she, to make sure that they match with the things that she creates, which I love. Okay, then now I can go a little bit on the decorations. So put this here with a little bit of the grid washi. I know for some people the grid washi is a little bit played out, but I love it so much. And I have a to-do sticker, a blackout to-do sticker. Oops, that's not it. Okay. Oh, I love that. That's such a great combination. I love it. Then let's put a big, I have that rose, but I also want to use up the gray. I feel like it would be better placed here. And I'm going to use this Simply Gilded washi to go along with it. Oh, I love that. Along with it to do. Now, I'm going to put this on first. And then this down. Love that. Love that. Now, organizing the stickers that I've got here. This corner does need to be worked on. So let's add a big rose. I love this gray rose. And adding the grid washi because of course. And then I'm going to combine it with this washi too because I think the combination of the two of them is really nice. And then here, let's put a spider. Why not? And then I have these two left, but I don't think I need to put any more. Just put the spider there. Yeah, yeah, I honestly don't think I need to put any more. I feel like it's a great spooky spread without being too spooky. Yeah, I don't want to add any more now. I need to put this back. Okay, but I think that's it, guys. And like I said, I love Ali stickers, and I love that this is a Halloween theme without being like obnoxiously Halloween, if you know what I mean. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.